a secret reward most Muslims don't know. فَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ. Whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it. Surah Az-Zalzalah 9:7. This verse clearly teaches that even the smallest good deed is seen and rewarded by Allah, no matter how tiny it seems. Imagine a very small action, just a few seconds, could bring you a huge reward from Allah. Not a big ibadah, not a long prayer, but something simple you can do today. Stay with me, because this secret reward may change your life. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Many people think only big deeds bring big rewards, but Islam teaches us something very powerful. Sometimes the smallest action can become the biggest reward in the sight of Allah. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ gave us a very important message. He said, "Do not belittle any good deed, even meeting your brother with a cheerful face." Sahih Muslim. This means even a simple smile is counted as charity. Subhanallah. Think about this. You smile at someone, you help a person, you say one kalima of kindness, and Allah records it as a good deed. Another powerful teaching of Islam is this. The Prophet ﷺ explained that the most beloved deeds to Allah are those done regularly, even if they are small. This shows us something very important. No good deed is ever wasted. Even these simple actions bring huge reward. Saying Subhanallah, helping your parents, giving water to someone, removing something harmful from the road, smiling at people. Allah multiplies the reward many times. In Islam, a single good deed can be rewarded 10 times, up to 700 times or more. So never think your deed is too small.
Remember this, Allah sees every good deed, even the smallest one. Start today. Do one small good deed right now. Smile at someone, help someone, or say Subhanallah. And write in the comments, Ya Allah, accept my small deeds. Subscribe to Islam for You for more powerful reminders that bring hearts closer to Allah.